Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect SmartThings to set up motion automations, full guide step by step clearly.
Open the SmartThings app on your smartphone. Ensure that you are logged into your SmartThings account.
From the home screen, tap on the devices icon at the bottom of the screen.
Select that Add Device option to start the connection process. Choose the type of device you want to connect, in this case, a motion sensor. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your motion sensor into pairing mode. Once your motion sensor is detected, tap on it to complete the connection. After successfully connecting the motion sensor, return to the home screen. Now, tap on the Automations icon at the bottom of the screen. Select Add Automation to create a new motion-based automation. Choose when a device is detected from the options provided. Select your connected motion sensor from the list of devices. Now, decide what action you want to automate when motion is detected.
You can choose options like turning on lights, sending notifications, or triggering other devices. Once you've selected your desired action, customize any additional settings such as time or specific conditions. After configuring the automation, review your settings for accuracy. Finally, tap on Save to activate your motion automation. Your SmartThings motion automation is now set up and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.